In today's bite, I'm going to cover how I managed to get my hands on the car and motorcycle vlogging kit on somewhat of a budget, and I'm also going to use that same kit to give you a quick snapshot of my car, which is this one, and the motorcycle I own. So stay tuned. So after doing some digging online, I managed to zero in on 2 or 3 locations that I need to hit to get that all important vlogging kit, all whilst keeping that budget in mind. So let's hit the road and get this journey started. So I've reached the location. I'm gonna go pick up the stuff. So as you can probably see in the background, I'm at Best Buy right now. I'm here because I'm come to pick up a few things I've reserved. So I've asked the person out here to help me with my order. Let's hope I get my hands on the mic adapter and the suction cup. As you can see, there's a small little kiosk there's a person there helping me. So guys, as you can see in front of you, it's been a productive day. I made a couple of stops, got pretty much everything I need for vlogging, and yeah, it was an interesting buying experience. As you must have seen with the social distancing, people are taking this seriously, which is good to see. Best Buy was a different experience. I had to reserve online and go to the store, which is closed, and got the equipment pretty much at the door. So this is what I got from Best Buy, which was brand new. It was something which I was not finding online, nobody reselling. The Joby tripod there, you could see it. It's a great kit to have, so I pretty much stuck buying it brand new. You can use it to house most of your kit. You can wrap it around poles, you can use a tripod. It's pretty multifunctional, worth buying, I think. The suction cup, again, I bought this brand new because the GoPro, which is going to be the most expensive piece of my kit, is going to sit right on top of it, and I'm going to stick this at crazy locations to get you some dynamic shots on the car and the motorcycle. So bought this brand new, got the adapter, which is, you stuck buying this again if you want to attach an external mic to a GoPro. Go figure, you gotta buy this. The GoPro doesn't give you the option of attaching an external microphone. Pretty much stuck buying it, and now to house that and make it a little more compact, I bought this piece of kit here from Amazon. It's pretty inexpensive. You can see at the bottom right there the mic, the mic adapter slots right in. At least makes the design a little more compact. Then you see the lav mic, which will attach, which I think I'll be using on the motorcycle in the helmet. I'll stick it into the helmet and attach it to that adapter and get you some footage while talking to you guys. Makes it a little more interesting vlogging experience, I think. So I thought it was worth buying that. Now here, these 2 pieces here, you can see I've separated them I've got this from a couple of people reselling these pieces of equipment online at throwaway prices. This was from one individual who, believe me or not, came right to my condo to drop this. Amazing. It had 2 SD cards, brand new. The battery charger with 3 batteries, protective gear for the GoPro. You see this one you can use for underwater diving. I don't know when I'm going to use it, but he was throwing it away, so I got it anyways. And this was great. This was all from one individual. You can see the brand new GoPro 7 Black still in the box. You have a chest strap right here for some great vlogging. Using that, I'm thinking of mounting it on my chest while riding the motorcycle. You see the GoPro stick, which is extendable. Great piece of kit there. We have some adhesive mounts, some mounts for attaching onto the helmet. And this was great. This was a GoPro mic, which is exactly the Rode mic, which is exactly what I was looking for. It's very compact, great piece of kit. So there, all in all, I've got everything I need for vlogging. Again, did not go crazy with the budget. You could do far less in terms of spending, because I went a little over and above. You can get started with the kit which is far less than what you see in front of you. So guys, I'm all ready to give you guys some action using this kit, so don't go anywhere. Right now I am in my condo parking garage. I'm really excited trying to use my new vlogging kit to give you a quick sneak peek on my personal car motorcycle. Let me just pan the camera right over. There they are, waiting to get shot. That's my BMW X5, and right next to it, that's the Suzuki M90 muscle cruiser. Let's start by firing this bad girl, this black beast, right up for you guys. So let's get this bad girl fired up for you guys so you can hear her roar. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As I mentioned, I got most of my vlogging equipment without going crazy with the budget, and you could get away with having some of this equipment deleted off your list. I went a little over and above, but as I mentioned, you can get most of it online with a little of research at the price, which is a throwaway, I would say, anyway, so in the next video I plan to use this equipment and review my X5, BMW X5 in detail. So hit that notification bell, it'll alert you the moment I upload that video. And now at this end of this video, I am going to leave you guys with a small little treat, and Arnie is going to help me with that, right? Arnie, let's do this. So Arnie is going to play dead for you guys. Arnie, dead, Arnie. Dead. Stay dead. Stay dead. Get some breathe for that. So guys, if you have not already liked, please like, subscribe, and as I said, hit that notification bell. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. We are out of here.